Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick breakfast meal that you could even have for lunch or dinner too, and it's called migas. I actually found out about this recipe from the Pioneer Woman. She put it on her blog many years ago, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. So now whenever we have like extra chips in the house, dropped one. I love to make migas for the kids. Now, I actually called this the poor man's version of migas because migas can have many different things in it. You can put any type of vegetables in there. You could put peppers, onions, whatever you have on hand in it. And if you just want to keep it bare bones, like I do most of the time, I use chips, tortilla chips. I like corn tortilla chips, but you can use flour if you have it. I like to do a little bit of extra spray there, because what you're doing here is you're actually just cooking the tortilla chips and you're kind of livening them up again before you add in your scrambled eggs. And for our family, we like to add in at least 5 eggs, so I can do probably up to 8 eggs for this. And then you're just going to toss it here. I have this over about medium to medium low heat. And you're adding in your eggs to the crispy, crunchy tortilla chips, and you can season to your liking. I know we needed a little bit more salt in that one, so I added more salt. And all you're doing is basically making scrambled eggs with chips in it. That's pretty much all it is. And this is why my kids absolutely love this recipe. Okay, now that your eggs are pretty much cooked, you're gonna start adding in some sour cream. This is what our family does. You can add sour cream and shredded cheese. If I have shredded cheese on hand, sometimes I do add it. I love adding shredded cheddar cheese or Mexican cheese. And then you're just gonna toss that in there, and it just adds a little bit of creaminess to the migas. It is so good, you guys. And like I said, this is the poor man's version of migas. So that's all we put in ours. If we had cheese, we would throw that in there. If we had peppers that day, those would have been sauteed with the chips. And it's just so good, you guys. It's very simple. My kids love it. And we let the kids add their little extra things on top of their migas if they would like. So you can add salsa. My daughter loves to add avocado on top of hers, which is really, really fun. And just look at it. Oh, so good, you guys. Yum. So this plate here is my daughter's. She likes, again, avocado. She loves salsa. So that's what she has on her plate. She likes a lot of it. And then this is my son's plate, my oldest son, and that's the baby's plate. He likes a little bit. But it is just so good, delicious, and easy, you guys. You have to try this recipe for breakfast.